Toshiba H01 series looks elegant and exquisite. Also provides you absolute new user-friendly laundry experience. Golden handle gives an elegant look to the machine and also useful to easily carry, handle the lid. Multi-purpose easy kit can be used as a powder box with measurement, as a storage case for storing small items like coin, keys, etc. that are left in pocket. If you remove the easy kit, you will find the non-skid design, which helps you to put laundry bar soap. Toshiba. Details matter.